Welcome to Millbrook Maxis. Here we have the one to have, the VW Transporter, long wheelbase, Highline, automatic, the 200 brake with loads of extras. So we've got the sport bumper here on the front. We've got these lovely alloys. We've got a running bar. Got twin side loading doors. I'll take you in the cab. Full leather seats. The VW logo in it. Electric windows and electric mirrors. Got a multifunctional steering wheel. Auto headlights. Automatic gearbox. Also got heated seats as an extra. Heated front screen. Media display, USB connections. We have the automatic doors, both sides, full leather seats in the back as well. Got rear parking sensors and a rear camera. In the back here, it's been carpeted up the sides. There's your rear camera. Got a spoiler on the top here as well. Down the near side you can see lovely body condition. Show you here. Auto door as well on the other side, on the near side. And back of the cab. Thank you for watching. For any inquiries, please do give us a call.